Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
When was the last time you spent some time with yourself? How often do you do it? Are you happy whenever you do it? Do you feel fascinated and amazed when you discover a thing or two about yourself? Hello there. I hope you had a wonderful week so far, and welcome to my channel. Today, I thought I'd share with you some of my thoughts about self-love and its relationship with happiness. Self-love, self-care, self-preservations are underrated sometimes. It could be because there are lots of things that get our attention nowadays, just like social media, political issues, and of course the current crisis we're facing. These things divert our attention to so many things that we think are more important than ourselves. Loving yourself is not a luxury. It's not a sin that you should be guilty about, nor to restrict yourself from. Self-love is actually self-respect. Think of something that you borrowed. You wouldn't do anything that will harm or damage it. What you will do is to make sure that it will stay the same or even better when you return them. It goes the same with ourselves. We should not do anything that will harm us. Instead, we should do something to improve it. When you love yourself, it doesn't mean you neglect others' needs or that you're being selfish. As the saying goes, you can never give what you don't have. How can you love someone when you can't even spare one for yourself? How can you trust someone when you don't even trust yourself? How can you give and expect respect from others when you don't? It's a cycle that more often than not is being taken for granted. Try to spend some time with yourself and you'll be surprised when you find out that there's more to you than what you see every day. By spending time with yourself, you get to know yourself more and learn your capabilities and your limits. We could express self-love and understanding in so many forms. Drinking a cup of coffee or tea in the morning before the world awakes is one of my favorites. Gathering my thoughts and contemplating on what to do and what not to do. It could also be enjoying or indulging your favorite meal once a week or even twice a week. Pampering yourself once or twice a month. Binge watching with your favorite series or your favorite book. You can express self-love by preserving yourself to something or someone worth it. For instance, in marriage or in relationship, when we have self-love, we know our worth and we know our beliefs and values. Therefore, we're not discouraged by something or someone based on their perspectives. We can't be triggered by anything that we don't believe in, and they can't impose anything contrary to our values. Loving yourself should be your number one priority and should always be present within you. The more you understand, care, and respect yourself, the more you can give or do to others. I think I rumbled too much for today. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you also believe in. Don't forget to reach me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for being here. Have a lovely weekend and remember to love yourself not only today, but every day. And I'll see you again very soon.